guys, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be working on a layout for my daughter's traveler's notebook insert, and I wanted to do a quick flip through before I get to working on the layout. I need something for this page. I have no idea what I'm gonna do just yet. You guys saw some of these, you've seen some of these you haven't. Like I said, only because I kind of worked off camera for some of them. Did I miss one? No. Let me just make sure. It's because some of these pages are like so thick. This one. And then this is the final one. This is a really small traveler's notebook insert. Honestly, most of this is for January. So I'm just going to adhere this one in there. And sorry, I'm kind of rolling my things over here. And this is just going to kind of like close up the month of January. So it's going to be like a quick layout because I just don't want it to take forever. Let's see if it gives me freedom to move it. Okay. This is another pretty paper that Suzanne sent to me. I know you guys are probably like, man, talking about Susan, but I really love doing the swaps with her. Let's see. Do that there. And now we're going to do like a quick embellishment so that we could finish this insert. And then we're gonna figure out what to do with this. Maybe I'll just decorate or something without necessarily having a picture. And then we'll close it out. So, going to get started. Thank you for stopping by, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.